Hi everyone, in this video I would like us to start reflecting on the use of technology in education. To do that, I would suggest you watch this video on the SAMR model that tries to explain the different levels of technology implementation. This doesn't aim to be the model or to be followed as it is, but just to be on the back of our mind when thinking of technology in our course. I will not go through all the levels suggested by this framework, as it is not prescriptive, and you could definitely watch the video. But I just want to share with you my reflection on the use of technology after having watched this video. The SAMR model suggests a few reflective questions that you might want to take into consideration as well. When I decide to use technology in my course, I try to think, first of all, is it really needed? Could I complete my learning activity or learning task without the use of technology? Is there any added value by using technology or not? If that isn't the case, then well, I don't use technology. So we shouldn't feel pressured of using technology for the sake of using technology. We should instead rethink our task and try to see the potential of a technology tool in the achievement of our learning outcomes. So what the SAMR model suggests is that the real learning, takes place when we have transformation. And we have transformation in the so-called modification and redefinition levels. Regardless of the definition, what's important to think of is that learning takes place when we completely rethink our task. So redesign our course from a face-to-face to a web-enhanced or online course doesn't mean to simply add a technology tool to do the same thing in a different way, which is in fact a substitution or augmentation level where the learning is not really impacted in any way. But it means to completely rethink our design and our possibilities of learning with technology. So if we think of a digital storytelling, we would use different media, different digital media to tell a story. Is there any difference? So let us think about that. Is there any difference between a digital storytelling and a traditional essay, a written essay? So if there is, then in which level could we be, for instance? So we could develop different skills through the use of technology, but we could do that if we rethink our approach to our activities design. We could think of whether we want our students to collaborate out of class and not just inside the class. Would we like our students to provide formative feedback one another? Would we find, thanks to technology, an easy way to achieve that? Could we use the time in class differently by using technology outside the class? And could this in some ways help the learning process of our students? So these are all questions that I would like us to reflect when thinking of implementing technology in our course. I would really like to know what you think about that.